Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Aquarius for the month of September. This is mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Aquarius. And your feelings towards them. Later we see mutual energies between both of you. So your person feelings towards you, the Star, the Strength, Knight of Wands, 10 of Wands, and your feelings towards them, 10 of Cups, 8 of Swords, King of Pentacles, and the Emperor. Your person feelings towards you, definitely they are still hoping for this connection, and the strength they are gaining, the strength, they stand by their power, and they want to come towards you, Knight of Wands. And still there are some burden in your person's life. Definitely they are feeling very burdened. Still they want to come towards you. Still they are hoping for this connection. They are gaining strength to stand there by power. And your feelings towards them, definitely you also want this connection and this 10 of Cups with your person. You are already committed, very loyal in this connection. You are already invested in this connection, but right now you are stuck due to some confusion between both of you. So let's see mutual energies between both of you. Yeah, 2 of Cups, you both love each other. Definitely there is equal love sharing between both of you. 7 of Swords, yeah, there is some sneaky energy. One person is very manipulative and very miscommunication, false communication. I think it could be your person, Aquarius. There is love, but there is no commitment I am getting. So let's see more about you, Aquarius, about this connection. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's death. I think you undergo some transformation in your life. 5 of Cups. I think so you are feeling sad in your life due to any reason. So let's see more about their King of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, communication. Definitely your person want to communicate you. They are very attracted to you. They want to communicate you. From this the 8 of Wands. Things are moving very fast. Under the deck, Devil. Definitely one person is obsessed with other person, or one person in this connection addicted to some bad habits. Aquarius, your person want to communicate you. Definitely they love you, but there is no commitment I am getting. But you are very committed. We are very loyal in this connection. Yeah, 10 of Cups. I think your person may have options in their life. 9 of Pentacles. I think it could be you, Aquarius. Stand by your power. You are taking back your power if they don't offer commitment to you. Yeah, 3 of Wands. Waiting. Definitely you are taking back your power and you stand by your power. If they are seeing their options, definitely you leave them and you are standing by your power. So last card for the reading. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take. If they offer commitment, if they offer equal give and take, you will give a person a chance. That's up to you. If there is no equal give and take, I think you stand by your power. You take back your power back. Definitely. So one more card. Yeah, 3 of Cups. Definitely there, for some there is third party situation. For some there is reconciliation. Definitely your person realizes your worth and they will come for you. After the realization they will come. For some there is reconciliation. For some you are taking back your power. You're taking back your power back. Definitely. So Aquarius, this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.